if you notice, same on the last paper that we did, which was 2021. This is what 2019, and any come back, right? Any number squared, I going to be positive. So 9 plus 4. That's how CXC do the multiple choice. I think their strategy is set a messed up paper 2 and then set a reasonable multiple choice. I don't understand the reason behind that. All right, number 2 say what number when added to 1 and 1/3 gives you 2. I think we need to work out that much. It's only 1/3 plus 2/3 can give you 1 whole, right? So it will be 2/3. Those are nice little questions, to be your confidence. All right, this one say 11.1 divided by 0.01. Remember, no calculator allowed, right? So all we have to do, just convert this to a whole number. And whatever you do to get this to be a whole number, you're gonna do the same. Something that I'm gonna teach my students very soon from my grade 5. 1, 2. So you move 2 places. Say me, you're gonna move these 2 places. But as you can see, we can't move it 2, so we move 1, add a 0, right? So it would be 11 divided by 1, which we know is actually t. All right, this one said 12.5% of a sum of money is 40. What is the number? Immediately we can eliminate these two. It has to be between these two, right? Because if you're going to find 12% of a number, 45 couldn't work. This is too big. I think I probably 320. But I could work it out. So 25.5, 12.5 over 100. We don't know what the number is, right? We call the number y. And that must give you 40. So therefore, y is equal to 40 times 100. Over the 12.5. So if we don't like work with decimal, we probably can double. Probably can double the 40, you know, so? And then double this to 25%. So this would be what? 80 times 100 divided by 25. 25 into that 1, 25 into this 4. So yeah, 320. Everybody understand why I'm double it? You can double it, right? And double this too.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so double two of them are the same too. Now if you know them, you could check them, you can remember say, no calculator. Alright. Number 5 says a test was marked out of 80. A boy scored 60% of the marks on the test. How many marks did he score? You can eliminate 20, because that means you can get 25%. You can eliminate 75, you see, so it's between these two. But to show working, let's see if we can figure it out. So it's a 60% of a number. We don't know what the number is, right? Oh, the test was marked out at 80. So I did it wrong. Hold on, guys. So it actually marked out at 80. So 80 ID, I mean. I'm going to move somewhere. And if I'm internet, hold on, guys. I'm losing cursor. Alright, hold on. Alright, see it now. So boom. It's at 80, right? So 60% of a number. Hello? Yeah, if you can come back, please come in our class now. Please come back both ways. Yeah, thanks so much. Yeah, so our number over 80, and you times it by 100%, and the result are 60. So we can do equal transpose, right? So that will be 60 times 80 over 100. So boom, boom, boom. 6, 8, 48. Yeah. So that be 48. So the mark was 48 out of the total. That gives us 60%. If you're never sure how to do this, guys, you could literally put all of them number here as trial and error. You could have probably put 48 over 100 over 80 times it by 100. Whichever gives you 60%, you know, so that's your answer. Remember, it's multiple choice. They don't care about the workout, right? They just care about you getting the answer. So you could do trial and error with that. All right. Then say the square root of 181 lies between 181. So is it 13 and 14? If you square 13, you get 169. And if you square 14, 14 times 14 now again. 4, 4, 60. 4 ones, 4 and 5. 196. 196. Yes, so this. So go lie between this. You can rule out this. 11, 11 and 121. You can rule out this. Yeah. These two are the closest. All right. 7 says, which of the following set is defined by? So -2, I must include 4. Positive 4. So yeah, that will be D. Remember, it said once you have equal, you include the number. If you never have the equal, if it was just this alone, then it would have been this. You want to include the actual numbers. But once you have the equal sign, you include the numbers. This one is a repeat. If Q is equal to ABC, how many subsets can be obtained? And it's 2 to the 3rd. We did that one and the last one, which was 21 paper that we did. All right, item 9 refers to the following Venn diagram. In the Venn diagram, the number in P is 5, the number in Q is 9, and they say when you combine everything, you get 10, and they want us to find intersection. So, so is the number in P? No, P. Number in P plus the number in Q minus the intersection, right? P intersect Q give you the union. All right, so the number in P of 5, so it will be 5 plus the number in Q is 9 minus, we don't know what it is, not to call it X, and that must give you 10. And then we solve the X. 5 plus that will be 14 minus X equal positive 10. Do the little thing, so it will be minus X equal 10 minus 14. Once it's a positive, we have to take the opposite, right? So this gives you a -4, and this gives you a -x. So we just divide both by that, so it's 4. And they said the number in P union Q should be 10, so we can do a little check. If this are 4, 5 minus 4, it'll be 1, 9 minus that, it'll be 5. So when you combine everything, you'll get the 10. 1 plus 4 plus 5. Nice little question, that one. All right, item 10 refer to the following information. P is equal to prime, Q is equal to odd, R is equal to even. Which of the following set is empty? It has to be even or odd, right? A number can be even or odd. So Q and R, Q and R, Q and R, and an intersection, right? Yeah. There's no number that is even or odd. All right, this one says if P is equal to 2357, Q is equal to 236, and S is equal to 245. P intersect Q, which number common to all three? Only 2, right? Intersection means is in all, right? So it would be. All right, item 12, this is a repeat one. Item 12 refers to the following Venn diagram. In the Venn diagram, the shaded area represented is everything is shaded except the P. So that's P complement, not in P. All right. We did that one last class. So we're not forgot to deeper explanation about that one. All right. So which one was it? 13. If TT $6 is equivalent to US $1, then TT $15 in US is. So if one US, guys, you know, so Trinidad the money better than our one. Look on sell to Jamaicans. And them say no, but you have a 15 TT in a US. So all we have to do is just divide 15 by 6. 6 2 is 12. 12 and then 3 over 6. Yeah, $2.50. All right. If 7,000 is borrowed at a rate of 5% per annum for 3 years, the simple interest is, so simple interest is equal to the principal times the time times the rate. Now the rate is out of a percentage, so the rate will be over 100. I'm going to find a simple interest. Didn't we do this on the last one? I think so. Say 7,000 times 5 times 3 over 100. This cancels this. 5 7 35. So that's a 350 times 3. I think we did this the last time as well. That's when I repeat also. A dress which costs $18 is being sold at a discount of 10%. The amount of discount is, so they only want the discount, they don't want the amount that the person pays. So it's 10% of 180. 10% is the same as dividing by 10, right? So it would be 18. 16 says the value of a plot of land is 18,000. Land tax is charged at a rate of 70 cents per 100 value. The total amount of tax paid, this one is a repeat as well. So the total is 18,000 and they give us the rate in terms of 100. So we need to find out how many 100 is in all of this, which is 18,000. So we divide this cancel this, so it's 180, and then the rate is 70 cents. So I'm going to ignore the decimal point and just multiply. Put a 0, right? 700, 7856, 717, 5 plus that 12. Remember, we're supposed to have 2 decimal places. 126. So I'm going to run through them, guys. Because the multiple choice is what? 30%, I agree. To get all of that, you guarantee 30%. 6 out of 60 should be your aim. All right, you say at the end of a year, a car is worth 5% less than what it was worth at the beginning of the year. If a car was worth 9.5 in December 2016, then the value of, yeah, this one repeats as well. So them say no, at the end of the year, the car is worth 5% less. And this is what it was worth in December. So that means that the year, the 5% come out, right? So at that stage, it was 95% in terms of value. And then we don't know what the original was. We could call it Z. And that must equal to 9.5. So they want to find out what was the original before the 5%. So Z is equal to 9.5. We transpose what I divide, we multiply, what I multiply, we divide. So that times 100 and then divided by the 95. So on. So that's 100 times 100, which is 10,000. So it's 10,000. If you never sure of one formula, you could literally find 5% of all of them number here. And whichever give you, when you subtract the difference, you give you 9.5, that is the answer. A multiple choice, guys. Use up your skills and try to get it. Number 18 says a loan of 8,000 was repaid in 24 equal installment of 4,000. The rate of interest of the loan was, so we need to figure out the interest, because if you borrow a loan and it's only 8,000 you borrow and you have to pay back 24 times 4, that means the profit what they make about in this, right? But you can't get a loan without paying that interest on it. So 400, 400, 4416. Put a 0 for all the space, 200, 200, 248. So 0, 0, 6, 9. So that means you pay back what? 9, 6. That means you pay back 1,600 extra. Let me see what them ask. The rate of interest on the loan was, yes, so that is 1,600 times 100%. 16 can go in it for 5 times. 5, 6, 30, 5, 1 is 5. Yeah. So that means it's supposed to be 20%. So you actually pay 20% interest, which is crazy. All right, 19 say a dinner at a restaurant was advertised at $6 plus 18% tax. The total bill for the dinner was, so we're going to increase it by 18%. So we need to find 18% of the 60, right? Because that are the tax. So 18% of 60. Tax means you have to pay more. That go to the government, right? 18 times 6 hours. 6848. 616 and that 10. All right, we divide this by 10. You can just move the decimal, please. So that's 10.8. So you have to pay an extra $10. So we add that to the 60. 60 plus 10 hours, 70.8. Yeah. So it would be B. 20 says, at a sale, each book has marked. But guys, you guys never do them on yet. All right, let me just go through them. I don't want to see one of these. All right, it said at a sale, each book was marked $3 off the original price. Daniel paid $46 for 2 books that had the same sale price. What was the original cost of one of these books? All right, so at a sale price, each book is marked. So $3 off you get. And he paid $46 for 2. So that means the marks for 1. So let me try to get it to 1. Which is 23. But this is after you take off the $3, right? So we could add back the $3. Which is 26. Yeah. So the original was 26 and then take off the $3, which give it 23. And it will then come to 46. As I say, the original cost of 1. I think we do a paper, I never read that correctly, you know. I choose the wrong answer. All right, so we are at 21 now. This is a repeat. It's a 1 over 5x plus 2 over 3x is equal to. So we know that we're supposed to find our LCM. LCM of 5 and 3 will be 15. And then we'll put back with x. 5 into that equals 3 times, x cancel the x, right? So that would be 3x into that leave 5. So 2, 5, 10, which gives us 13 over 15x. I think this one was a kind of a giveaway when we look at the answers. That's tell you what, this is a square, this is 8, and that. Yeah, you couldn't expect to add 10, right? So in exam, you probably don't have to work out something like this. When you find out the LCM, that would be it. All right. And so when 5 is added to a certain number and the result is multiplied by 3, the final answer is 27. What is the original number? So we add 5 to a number and the result is multiplied by 3. And the result gives you what? 27? So we probably could divide by 3, which is 9, and minus 5 give you 4. It should be 4, right? We can just do the inverse. They say the result is 27. It's a multiply by 3, so I could divide by 3, which gives us 9. And then so when 5 is added to a certain number, so minus 5, we have to do the opposite. To try it, so it's 4 plus 5, which gives you 9, and then times by 3. I get back at 27. So some of them you have to show no workout, guys. Just use your skill. This one is a repeat one again. What is the value of x squared plus 3y over xy if x is 4 and y is 2? So it will be 4 squared plus 3 times 2. And of course, we multiply 4 by 2. So 4, 4, 16. 3, 2, 6. 4, 2 is 8. So add the top first, which is 22 over 8. How many 2s, how many 8s you can get out of 22? That's 2, right? 8, 2, 16. 6 over 8. So this, when I break it down, bam. All right. If x is an integer that's by the inequality, then, all right. So what we have to do, guys, divide both sides by 2, every side, right? I want to get x by itself. So 4 divided by 2, that's a 2. Put less than x, and then less than or equal to 3. All right, so I'm getting the first option, which is A. We clear on that, guys? Because I want to get x by itself, right? If I did like plus 4, you'd have minus 4 from all the sides. Long time I don't see one like that, but they can bring that again. 25 says if the sum of two positive numbers p and q is equal to 32, their difference is 12. What is the smaller number? So we have p plus q should give a 32, and then the difference is what? 12. All right, so let's just make a simultaneous equation. We'll add, we get rid of q, right? So p, so 2p, how do we add? So 2p plus that our 44, 4, yeah. And then we divide by 2. So one of them are 22. That means that this is the bigger number, right? The next number have to be 10. Because 10 plus, 10 plus this can give a 32. You go yourself CXC. That one is not so bad. A nice simultaneous equation. All right, so we have 3x squared times 2x to the third is equal to. Let's see if we can get to 30, guys. So we add the powers, right? So we multiply the numbers normally, so 3 plus 2, 5. See, if you multiply the answer there, see? And I've done test and students square the 3. 3 is 9, and they square this too. They do the 8 for this. And say 9, 8, 72, and got this. Remember, only the x. If it have on the square around it, that's a bit different. But I've seen students do that. All right. Two matrices A and B are comparable for multiplication A times B if the number of rows in A is equal to the number of columns in B, the number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in B, or both matrices are the same order. Two matrices are rectangular. Is either A or B. Very good again. Number of rows in column B. I think it's A now. Let me look at it. The number in the first matrix was equal to the number of the second, the column, second and to the column. The number is equal to the number of the other. The first one, the number of columns should equal to the number of rows. The number of rows in the first one. Yeah, so A, guys. Now remember that one, that's so good enough. All right, the determinant of the identity matrix is, we did that one already, right? The identity matrix are this 1, 0, 0, 1. And to find the identity, it's going to be 1 times 1 minus 0 times 0. So that's 1 minus 0, which is A. All right, which number was it? 29? All right, if the vector P and Q are 3, 2, and negative 1, 4 respectively, then P minus 2Q is, so P, say order not change, so it will be 3, 2 minus 2Q. And then we can take it from there. So 3, 2, so we get to go now, we're done that also. 2 ones, that's all. Negative 2, 2 4s 8. So it will be 3 minus 2 and 2 minus 8. Which gives us 5, negative 6. This one look like a repeat. I feel like I recently did this one. She's D. Alright, so we're gonna stop at 30. You guys try that one here first, and then me give the solution. So what's up with that one here, guys? I think I did a lot in the time that so try this one, guys, and then this will be the last one. Let's stop the video at 30. Alright, so it says item 30 to the following parallelogram WXYZ in a parallelogram XY. So from X to Y, what that mean? X to Y are U here, and X to W is V. R is the midpoint of YZ. So that means the arrow going this direction. Alright, and then say R is the midpoint of that. So WR expressed in terms of U and V. So we're going from W to R, which is right here. All right, so I'm gonna take the root here, guys. From W to Z, it's a parallelogram, so the opposite sides equal, right? This one is also B. So I'm gonna go with U as I'm going with the arrow. Plus I'm going halfway of YZ. So it'll be negative. You're going against the arrow. So it will be half of B. Yeah, you guys were correct. It's A. So guys, we're gonna stop the video there. See you guys next class. We'll post up
All right,
this.
bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Oh, where I said the John, I agree with that. But A send me to.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, man. Take care. Take care. See you guys soon. All right. Big up everyone. Stop the video. Just end the meeting. Anybody want my number? 876-549-2161. Let me just type it. All right now. You want my number? See my number here, please. Join the class. 876-549-2161.